me show you guys the drawing on the previous page. Actually, let me flip through so you guys can see how many drawings we have in here first. This is the color test page. This is another color test page for the acrylics. This was the fast coloring page. So this is a book that I actually have on Amazon. I think I should actually pin it here in case you guys want to grab it. There's this one for beginning of school illustration. There's another coloring. There's another illustration for the strawberry. I'm drawing more of fruit. There's another coloring, a title. So there's going to be title coloring. There's going to be an illustration, an original illustration. This is a normal illustration. And from that, we went to another coloring. And this brings us to today, October 1st. I guess this is going to be our first Inktober drawing. So this was my coloring book that I took to Staples to print out. And instead of printing it out right, they gave me a whole bunch of cardstock in here. So what I do is on the one that is following, I do an original illustration like we're working on this one. And then the next one, we do the coloring. So this is going to be tomorrow's work. We're going to be coloring this page. If you want this book, let me actually pin this book. This is my coloring book. It's on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and pin it in the comment section. So if anyone wants to take a look, 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and pin it in the comment section. So I'm going to add the link to it. It's sold on Amazon, so if you're checking it out, you'll just be grabbing it from the usual Amazon store. So pin message. Now you can see it in the comments, in the chat. It's going to be the first comment. With a link pinned on it, you'll go ahead and grab the book. Let me do another flip through real quick so you guys can see. So I went to go print my copy in Staples, and they gave me a whole bunch of cardstock. That's what started this project. So when you open the book, you'll start with a color test page. I created another color test page for my acrylic markers. And this was the first page that I actually colored in with the hoo-hoo markers. So there's going to be a blank page after the first coloring page, and that's where I do the illustration. So this is where I do the first illustration. The second one is the coloring page that I colored in. The third one is going to be an illustration. So I did this. This was the second illustration for the book. And then the next one is going to be a coloring page. So I use hoo-hoo markers to color these ones in. And if you want to check out the book, I just pinned it in the chat section.